Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be working on an HP M476 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to your printer from a computer, everything comes out just fine. But as soon as you're going to make a copy or a scan, anything like that, then you start noticing blemishes or lines, anything like that on your papers. And that's going to indicate that there's something wrong or something dirty with the scanner glass. So the easiest way to clean your scanner glass is with a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner handy, you can use rubbing alcohol, that also works. Always apply your cleaner directly to the cloth, never to the glass. You can create a lot of problems if you do that. So always make sure the cleaner goes on the cloth and you clean the glass with the cloth. So on this particular printer, there's actually two separate pieces of glass. So there's a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer, and then the big pane of glass and this takes up most of the scanning bed. Whenever you're scanning from the top of the printer, it's using this little piece of glass on the left side of the printer. This big piece of glass is only for when you're actually scanning on the flatbed. So whenever you put a piece of paper face down, close the lid and scan. So depending on when you're noticing the problems arising, then that's going to indicate what piece of glass needs to be cleaned. In this instance, it's when we're feeding it through the top document feeder. So that's going to be this little piece of glass on the left side. So we're just going to go ahead and clean that piece of glass. Make sure we get any kind of residue that's off it, whether it be ink or whiteout, anything like that. So just make sure it's good and clean. Kind of give it a visual inspection. Make sure you don't see anything. Once you're happy with it, you might as well go ahead and just at least wipe down both pieces of glass since you're here. That looks good to me. Like I said, once you're happy with the way it looks, I'd go ahead and run a couple extra test copies or scans. Make sure it made the improvements you needed. But if there's still a little bit of a defect, I'd go ahead and just clean it one more time. There might be just a little bit more on there that's hard to see. And then after that, you should be good to go back up and running.